Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh and today I will be showing you this beautiful 2023 Harris 250 Cruiser. It's a beautiful boat. We're starting off on the exterior. You'll see the refreshed color scheme and this nice black accent up top with the white down below. Looks sharp. You get the beautiful docking lights up front that are stainless steel, your navigation lights, and you'll also notice these stainless steel pop-up cleats. They flip up and you can fold them back down so you won't stub your toe on them, which is nice. As we move back here, you'll notice this nice access door that lifts up and folds in. Makes it easy to board the boat when you're on a dock. Moving back, you'll see the nice big Bimini top here, and it does expand, so it gives you lots of shade. Making our way to the back, you'll see the stainless steel safety railing here, which allows you to sit back here while the boat's actually moving. So that's a really nice feature. It comes with this nice stainless steel tow bar, so you can tow your skiers, your tubers, and your wakeboarders from up top there. So just a convenient thing to have. Gives you more square footage inside of the boat. And then this 250 Cruiser is powered, I believe, let me just double check. Yes, by a Mercury 4-stroke 200 horsepower engine, and which is plenty of power for this tri-tune. Pull your skiers, pull your tubers, pull your wakeboarders, and you will be very, very happy with the performance of this Mercury outboard. Now, let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, we have climbed our way into the interior of this 250 Cruiser, and we're up in the bow right now, and you'll see these nice big long seats on each side, port and starboard. Lots of space to accommodate a lot of people in here. Now you're gonna have speakers, 2 up in the bow here. You'll have 2 cup holders on each side, so you have 4 in total up in the bow. And then also, you'll see there's 2 USBs on each side, so 4 in total up in the bow. So you can always stay connected to your phones, especially in this day and age when everybody has one. You'll notice just the Harris embroidered logo here in the actual vinyl. Very premium, very nice quality. Again, all of these seats up in the bow too, they will flip up. And you have storage inside. They're all on supported hinges, which is very nice. You don't have to pick up a seat and move it somewhere. Close that up, just feels really solid. As we move back, the amount of space is immense. You just don't feel cramped at all, especially when there's people gonna be walking around on a daily basis. They won't feel like they are in a tight spot. At the helm here, I'll actually go down below first. Opening up this door, you have a lot of storage underneath here. They try to use as much space as they possibly can for storage purposes. Now at the helm, you'll see you have a nice captain's chair with flip up and flip down armrests. You have a nice rubber steering wheel here, gives you lots of grip, and you have the 3-spoke design here in the middle with the Harris logo. You have a cup holder, a little storage tray up top for your phone, keys, maybe a wallet too. You have your JL Audio head unit right here to control your audio system, as well as this does come optioned with the Simrad digital display. So it'll show you your charts, your engine information, gives you lots of stuff at your fingertips, and you can customize that really to how you'd like as well. You'll see off to the right too, you have your digital throttle, which is very nice. The shifting is super smooth in and out of gear. You have your physical toggle switches over here as well, which is super great. And then down below by your right knee, you'll actually have another cup holder down there for the driver, which is great. So a lot of conveniences for the driver and just for everybody that's gonna be on this 250 Cruiser. As we make our way back here too, you have a nice L-shaped seating back here. You'll have 2 speakers additionally for more sound, more cup holders. Just a great use of space. As I make my way all the way into the back here, you'll notice that, again, I can use this space because of these safety railings. So when the boat's moving, I can be back here, and that can't be said on all pontoon boats. So it's a cool thing that Harris does. You have fender holders actually right in here, so you can store your fenders. Really easy access, which is super cool. And then we'll probably get some B-roll shots, but in here you have lots of storage space for fenders, for dock lines. You could even put a cover in here if you wanted to. So again, great use of space. And last but not least, I'll point out on the port side, there's a seat that folds up in the back, and it's a dedicated cooler spot. So you can use that as putting ice in there, putting drinks, sandwiches. And when that ice melts at the end of the day, you pull the plug, all the water filters out, and that compartment is nice and dry. So very convenient. Hats off to Harris. That's a nice little feature that they added. So guys, this is the Harris 250 Cruiser. It's here at the MarineMax Rogers location. If you have any questions, please give us a call or stop by. We'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.